In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft Outlook. If you spend a lot of time checking email, managing your calendar, or working in Outlook throughout the day, switching to dark mode can make the interface feel more comfortable and easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. The good news is that the process is quick, and I'll walk you through how to do it on desktop, on the web version, and on mobile. Let's start with the desktop version of Outlook. Open Outlook, then go to File. From there, select Office Account. In that section, look for the Office theme setting. Once you find it, choose either black or dark gray, depending on the look you prefer. Black gives you the darkest appearance, while dark gray offers a slightly softer dark interface. As soon as you select your preferred theme, Outlook will update the overall appearance. Next, if you're using Outlook on the web in a browser, the process is just as simple. Open Outlook. In your browser, then click the Settings gear icon, usually located near the top right corner of the screen. After that, go to General, then find Appearance. In the Appearance section, turn on Dark Mode. Once enabled, the web version of Outlook will immediately switch to a darker theme. Now let's cover the mobile app. If you use Outlook on your phone or tablet, open the app and go into Settings. Inside Settings, look for Appearance, then select Dark. This will change the app's visual theme so it uses darker backgrounds and lighter text, which can be easier to view in many situations. A helpful tip to keep in mind is that the exact look of the menus may vary slightly depending on your device, app version, or whether you're using Windows, a browser, or a mobile operating system. But the path is generally the same. Go into Settings or Account Preferences, find the Appearance or Theme option, and choose the dark setting. That's all it takes to enable dark mode in Outlook across your devices. Once you've made the change, you can continue using Outlook with a cleaner, darker interface that many people find more comfortable for everyday use.